Hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube. So thank you for coming to my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe. Right now we are at Playa Bonita. So I'm going to show you guys around. We just enjoying the day. Ava just got out of school at 1:30. She yeah, so we've been here since probably here for like 20 minutes. It's not even 2 o'clock yet. But hopefully you guys enjoy this little small clip. We're about to have a meetup with some other families later at 4:30. That's why we're here so early. Why are you eating your sand? It costs. So that was 300 pesos for the gin and tonic, and then 250 for the mojito.
Yeah, you should come try this. It's almost like
Alright y'all, so we just left the beach and we ate at the Hotel Mosquito. They have like a restaurant. We just ate there. I'm gonna put like clips on how my food look. And we went to walk back to my friend's house. And then we there for like an hour or so, and then we're gonna go home. But that's really it right now. We're just walking back to her house. She probably like 5 minutes, like 5 blocks or so from the beach. And then we're gonna go home because we live on the other side. Really like the other side of the town. Even though the town is not that big, but we live on the other side. See, that's what they think they could be doing. Oh, no.